After eating okra, this is what happens with your body. Okra, also known as women's fingers or bamia, is a plant that has many health benefits. This vegetable has the ability to immaculate in case you need to mend your body through eating routine. If you like the taste of okra, then you have more reasons to keep eating them. If not as big a fan of the taste, then read carefully what transforming your body gets after consumption. Strands. Okra is abundant with filaments, which have the ability to enhance absorption and mends the insides. Okra efficiently will discard poisons from your digestion systems. Diabetes. It is proven to diminishes glucose levels. Namely, it will balance out the glucose by controlling the rate at which sugar is ingested. Pregnancy. Okra is high in folates, which are beneficial for fetal advancement. Moreover, it has the ability to counteract unnatural birth cycle and deformity in the fetal neural tube. Bones. Okra can reinforce your bones and also can avert osteoporosis due to its high levels of vitamin K and folates, which makes the bones denser. Asthma. Contains cancer prevention agents and vitamin C and has mitigating properties as well. Studies showed that it is great improvement of asthma and asthma assaults. Respiratory issues. You can use the leaves and blossoms of okra as treatment of pneumonia, bronchitis and regular IC and influenza. Blockage. Filaments contained in the okra will encourage legitimate retention of water, greases up the digestive organs, and guarantee solid discharges. It has purgative characteristic. Sunstrokes. If you are experiencing certain side effects of sunstrokes, it is advisable to eat okra and thus calm shortcoming and fatigue from the warmth. Colon disease. Filaments in okra will reduce the risk of colon and rectal growth. Moreover, they will cleanse the inside of the tract, while the cancer prevention agents will dispense with the free radicals. Weight. Okra doesn't contain any calories, but the filaments make you feel full. In addition to that, okra is high in supplements. Cholesterol. Due to the fact it is rich in solvent fiber pectin, it will bring down the cholesterol levels. Namely, pectin brings down the bad cholesterol and averts atherosclerosis. Skin detoxifier. It will cleanse your skin from squanders and will repair the tissue. Moreover, okra will lessen skin breakout, forestall skin pigmentation and avert psoriasis and many other skin conditions. Hair. Okra will breathe life into your hair. It acts as hair conditioner. It will saturate your scalp and in same time will forestall the dandruff. Detoxification. The strands have the ability to tie cholesterol and bile corrosive and launch poisons. Resistance. Okra will support your invulnerable framework with the assistance of the cancer prevention agents and vitamin C, but also with the other key minerals such as calcium, manganese, magnesium and iron. These will help your body to battle against free radicals. Vision. High in beta-carotenes, lutein and xanthan, okra will forestall glaucoma and waterfall. Pallor. Thanks to the vitamin K, folate and iron, okra will fight against frailty. Okra will expand hemoglobin frames, the blood coagulation and creation of red platelets. Ulcers. Okra kill acids and rates up the mending of peptic ulcers by providing impermanent defensive covering to the digestive tract. Genital scatters. It is advisable to consume okra in case you need expanded sexual intensity. In addition to that, okra has the ability to treat issues such as gonorrhea, syphilis, leukorrhea and dysuria, and counteracts menstrual dying. Proteins. Okra seeds are abundant with proteins, which is perfect vegetable for both veggie lovers and non-vegans. Moreover, okra is high in oils, amino acids such as cysteine, tryptophan and other. Blood system. By consuming flavonoid and vitamin C-rich leafy foods, you will bolster your blood vessels. Okra is such vegetable. Probiotics. Okra is proved to empowers great microbes flourish in the insides, and that is particularly helpful for healthy intestinal tract.